Hey folks, we're back at it again. This right here is the biggest subway station in Asia, a real behemoth in China's subway network. We're talking a massive 225,000 square meters. That's huge, my friends. Picture this: 23 entrances and 26 naturally lit atriums in the hub's central courtyard. The ambiance is just out of this world, seriously. Oh, and let's talk subway lines. We're talking a convergence of 4 subway lines right here at this hub. The central vista, totally sci-fi vibes, the design and lighting, aesthetic and artsy, hitting the sweet spot. Now, beyond its good looks, this place screams sophistication and tech. It's got that automatic subway operation going on, hitting speeds of 120 kilometers per hour. Speedy, right? And payments? Oh, we got options. Card swipes, QR codes, even face scans and hand swipes for getting in and riding. And wait for it, the train cars? Equipped with wireless charging, because why not? Now that's a subway ride worth raving about, don't you think?